Hey kids, welcome to section 1.7, graduated commission. Today we're going to learn how to calculate something called total graduated commission. Why do you think some employers are offered graduated commission? So graduated commission, in case you don't know, is when the more you sell, the more you get paid. A lot of employers use this to encourage their employees to work harder. If you get paid more, if you get to this quota, then I would push myself to be getting paid more. So graduated commission, that's what we're talking about today. This is when, like I said, your commission rate increases as your sales increase. So think of it as like different levels of selling. You earn different levels of commission. So pay based on a different rate of commission for each of several levels of sales. And if you want to find your total graduated commission, well, you just add up all the different commissions on all the different levels. And so this is a method of compensation for salespeople where the commission earned increases incrementally with the increase in the sales volume. And businesses use this to incentivize the sales force for better performance. If I sell more, I get paid more, I'm going to push myself more. So that's what graduated commission is all about. Car salesmen use this. When you guys did like jump rope for heart, and if you collected this many pledges, you got this prize. But if you collected these many pledges, you got this better prize. And so the prizes got better the more you sold. So here's some examples. Number one, Sal Espinoza makes a 10% commission on the first $5,000 of sales and 15% on any sales over $5,000. Find his total graduated commission on $15,000 in sales. All right, so we have two levels here of sales. The first $5,000 and then anything over $5,000. So I'm going to take my total sales, 15,000, and I'm going to split it into two groups. First, the first 5,000, and then anything over 5,000. Well, I have $10,000 extra that go into that second group. So I've taken my total sales and I've split it into two groups based on the commission levels. Well, the $5,000 get 10% commission, and any over 5,000 gets 15% commission. Once you kind of separate the different levels, then it's pretty much just multiplication. So you've got 5,000 times 10%, and you have 10,000 times 15%. So you're going to do these two calculations, and then you're going to add them. So 5,000 times 10% is $500. 10,000 times 15% is 1,500. Add these together, and you get $2,000 in commission. Okay, so if he had just gotten straight 10% commission, then he would have just taken his total sales and times it by 10%. But because it's graduated commission, different amounts of money that you sell earn different amounts of commission. And so we need to do them separately. All right, number two, Janitha Forrest makes a 5% commission on the first $2,000 in sales. She makes and 8% on any sales over $2,000. Find her total graduated commission on $7,740 in sales. All right, so we have $7,740. We have two rates, so two. The first 2,000 goes here, and anything over that goes in the next one. So if I do 7,740 minus 2,000, that gives me 5,740. All right, the 2,000 is at 5%, and the rest is at 8%. So again, the 2,000 and the 5,740 should add to get 7,740. All right, now we multiply 2,000 times 5%. Remember to move that decimal 2 spots left. And 5,740 times 8%. The top number gives us 100. The bottom gives us 459.20. If we add them together, we get $559.20. So businesses will raise the commission rate if you sell more. Not only do you make more money in your paycheck, but they make more money in their pocket. All right, let's kick it up a little. Dabney Washington sells computer software for a computer manufacturer. He is paid 3% commission on the first $6,000 in sales, 5% on the next $10,000, and 8% on sales over $16,000. What is his commission on $20,000 in sales? Okay, here we have to be careful because there are 3 levels of sales. So still we're taking that 20,000, but now we're going to split it into 3 different groups. We've got the first 6,000, the next 10,000, and then anything else over. All right, so 6,000 and 10,000 is 16,000. If we take that away from 20,000, that gives us 4,000 extra. Remember, these 3 numbers down here should be the same as the single number up top. Now we just need to put our percentages in. We get 3% for the first 6,000, 5% for the next 10,000, and 8% for the rest. Notice the percentages go up the more you sell. All right, now we're going to do some multiplying. 6,000 times 0.03, that's $180. 10,000 times 0.05, well, that's $500. And 4,000 times 0.08, that's $320. If we add all these up, we'll have our total graduated commission, which in this case is $1,000. Good job, Dabney. All right, last question. Number 4, Nate Ballore sells cars for a local dealership. He is paid 5% commission on the first $10,000 in sales, 7% on the next $10,000, and 9% on sales over $20,000. What is his commission on $50,000 in sales? All right, so we're starting with $50,000. And we have 3 levels of commission. The first is on 10,000. The next 10,000. And anything over 20. Well, 10 and 10 is 20,000. If I take 50,000 and subtract 20,000, that gives me 30,000 left. The first 10% or $10,000 in sales is 5%. The next $10,000 is 7%, and the remaining is 9%. So I got my levels. Let's take a look at how this plays out. So 10,000 times 0.05 is $500. 10,000 times 0.07 is $700. And 30,000 times 0.09 is 2,700. Add them all up. Total graduated commission, $3,900. All right, so be very careful with graduated commission. Take your total amount of money that you sold, put it into the proper levels, multiply, and add them all up. All right, if you guys have any questions, please let me know. And as always, keep calm and keep trucking.